absolutely amazing. No, I never thought I'd experience something like that. Absolutely amazing.
It's something else.
I've seen these guys on team and I thought they were mad. No, Jesus, this is amazing.
Sien maar, so hoe is daai rit?
Dit was flippend lekker, ek kan maar weer gaan.
So grond, het jy al voorheen 'n rallycar gery?
Nog nooit, nog net my vrou se.
Okay.
Yeah, and, you know, it was awesome to be here with Neels and them. The car is a real eye-opener. Neels, of course, is an expert, total control in that car. And I just want to say, from a Herotel point of view, if you have a look at this car, the way it's branded, our concept of fast fibre, fast internet just carries through with the car and with what you see on the track. And we're very happy, Neels, to be able to partner with you on this. It's a great experience.
Awesome. It's awesome for us to partner with a brand like Herotel and awesome guys like yourselves. It's going to be a great partnership and hopefully we can bring the results for you.
Yeah, we're looking forward to that and we'll be with you all the way for that.
Awesome.
Good.
Thanks.
Hy het nie meer 'n bangsbeen in sy lyf nie.
Stan, how was that?
The car's good, but the driver's better.
Okay.
Dit was awesome geweest.
Lekker
Hy mag maar ja.
Mag hy maar.
Ja.
Ja, hy is baie goed.
Is 'n toekomstige rally bestuurder hierso?
Ja.